Hello guys and welcome back to a new video, and in this video we are gonna be a little bit fancy for some reason. So you probably don't know that I know Scratch, but I probably know that, and I'm a Scratcher. I'm a professional. Actually, let me tell you something. You know the game Vegetables Blast or Lemonoids the game that I made actually? I actually made it with Scratch 3, so don't get too excited for me to do something better than it. Okay, you should be excited, but I'm kind of having troubles with it. The server is being down, yeah, and it's kind of buggy so much right now. We're gonna be challenging ourselves to Scratch Junior. I mean, I've did a lot of I've made a lot of content on this before, but I just downloaded it on PC. I prefer I downloaded it on my phone, but I actually resetted my phone data, taking it well very back, saying, "Hi, what's your name?" Bro. So let's open now Scratch Junior. Let's open that gold. The loading screen sucks, by the way. What on earth do you mean? Where are you using Scratch Junior? This is so dumb. And there's no even animation when you click something or go on something. That's what? What on planet Earth is this? I was using it when I was like 3 or 4 years old, by the way, so I probably have some experience with it, and I know that there's a text that you can type. So yeah, let me begin by first naming this cube, because I'm gonna be challenging myself to recreate Geometry Dash in Scratch Junior, which I can't even on Scratch 3. So yeah. But I got some inspiration from some people like Jackson Academy and Griff Patch to do this, so I thought I'll try my hardest. That sound sucks. Oh my gosh! It's like someone making with their mouth. It's so bad. The cube sucks, by the way. Alright. Oh my god! I cannot work with this. I can a little bit, but I just challenge myself, man. Right. I like the jumping mechanic though. It helped us a lot. I really need that in Scratch 3. If I was in Scratch 3, I would have been gone like no 100 million steps to how to make a smooth jump. I think I might be cooking here. We might delete all the rotation. Cool. It doesn't even work, but by the way, but I'm still proud of that. Right now, let's make the mini. Oh my gosh! This is gonna be hilarious. Oh my god! Yeah, the cube fascinating is kind of syncing with the music. The loop is sadly looping. That is so dumb. Oh, I need to choose a background. Let's spike. And when you press backspace, it just backspaces the whole thing. Cool, man. That's good, and it sucks. So bad. Now let's make a spike. Wait, am I gonna make a ship? No way! Wait, I might be cooking. Let me make this now green. Do it! I might be cooking. Need to use this. Dumps, I know. So, let's fix it. Who cares, man? Let me fix it. What if we add at the same time this? Broadcast the loose thingy, okay? We'll broadcast it. Now, when we receive it, we are gonna simply just go down forever. And this is like milliseconds. Yeah, we'll just. Oh, this is an Arctic? We'll just end on an Arctic. I didn't know that even. Now we need a game. Now we need a game over that resets you back to the. Oh no! I just closed it by accident. Did I save? It probably saves automatically, doesn't it? Yes! Yeah! Yeah! Right, we need to make a music. Okay. So dumb when the thing is slow. Okay guys, here's gonna be the final results for the final game. I'm gonna show you it. Let me do that real quick. That's it. That's the worst game I've ever made in my whole entire life. That's so dumb. Okay, that's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed and subscribe and leave a like, and as always,